Now let's talk about the MCITP certification for Windows Server Administration. Now, if you go out to Microsoft's website and look around, and we'll go out there in just a minute and take a look, but you will notice that the MCITP, which stands for Microsoft Certified IT Professional, and we can achieve, or you can achieve, this certification by passing 3 exams. The first one, you don't have to do them in any particular order, although you need to do these first 2 to get to the last one, but I'll explain that in just a second. Exam 70-640, which is what this particular video series or this course is about. And notice that this is a TS, or a Technology Specialist exam, and it's Windows Server 2008 Active Directory Configuring. That's the official Microsoft title for that. So what you want to do is prepare for this exam, get ready, go schedule the exam, go take it, and when you pass it, you become an MCTS with Active Directory Configuring. You also at that point become a MCP, which is a Microsoft Certified Professional. Next, you will want to go study for exam 70-642. The title of that one is Windows Server 2008 Network Infrastructure Configuring. And that has to do with the network, name resolution, all the technologies, TCP, IP, and so forth. And notice again, this is a TS level, or a Technology Specialist. And so once you pass that one, if you have already passed this one up here, then nothing really happens as far as your certification. You now hold the TS, or the MCTS, in 2 separate areas, Active Directory and Network Infrastructure. And you can list those on your resume. Then the big one comes along, 70-646, and when you notice, this is the pro level exam. And so Microsoft shows the 640 and the 642 as prerequisites, and then you take the 646, and this is a more general overview of how everything works together for how you administer a 2008 server. It goes into a little more detail, and then it also combines your understanding of these 2 as well. So once you pass that exam, now you have the pro certification. You are an MCITP. Go out there and dig around and look at some of the salary information for MCITPs, what the certification does to your average salary, what it does to your chances of getting hired, and so forth. It's some pretty phenomenal stuff. Now, that's all you have to do. And it's easy for me to say that's all you have to do, but 3 exams you have to pass, and once you pass these, you're an MCITP. Now, the MCITP designation will be a valid one in the marketplace and will be extremely marketable for as long as, now here's the Microsoft definition, for as long as Microsoft supports the Server 2008 product. Now, in the real world, I have found that certification comes in handy as long as companies are still using the Server 2008 product. And I will tell you, I have done some consulting in the Nashville area with clients that as late as 2008 still had Windows 2000 servers. In that instance, that old MCSE still carried some clout. As Microsoft updates and comes out with newer versions of their server operating systems, they also update the certifications, obviously. So getting this MCITP, especially at this point in the life cycle of Server 2008, would be a great idea. So there's the 3 exams we've got to pass, and in this course we're going to concentrate on this first one, getting you ready and helping you understand the various pieces and parts of exam 70-640.